We're back. Let's answer some of your questions. Jim, you first. From Jim in Round Lake Beach, Illinois. What price target do you have for GM? And is now a good entry point?
Yeah, I always like talking to a fellow Jim. Look, I like GM here, but I got to tell you it's on a short leash because it hasn't done anything for a while. Now, if the stock market this year goes up 7-8%, you're going to get at least half of that in the dividend yield from GM. But we need to see the autonomous vehicle unit start to perform. We need to see some updates there. So the next quarter or two, I need to see some positive updates from the company. I'm not just going to hold this forever. I'm not married to it.
Okay, Josh Brown from Donald in Las Vegas. Do you expect to hold MasterCard for the medium to long term?
Yes, I've been in it for the long term already. This is one of the biggest winners I've ever had in my career. I have no intention of getting out of it. The stock looks like it's embarking on a new run after a little bit of consolidation. So it's me and Warren Buffett for the long term, and I'll be here.
Good company, right?
MasterCard? Well,
you said you and Buffett.
Yeah, good company to be in.
The
thing is, though, everyone agrees with me.
Sorry, I should have been more specific.
No,
I thought it was obvious. Apparently it was.
Everything I said is very well appreciated by the market. This is a $320 billion enterprise value. Like, it's a consensus long. I'm not breaking, going outside the box with this.
Understood. All right, Aaron, for you, from Mark in Oregon, REITs had a good run in 19. Will that trend continue this year?
Yeah, we're in a sweet spot for the REIT sector right now. We're in a low growth and low inflation environment, which should beget low yields in interest rates as well. So you have the 10-year yield, which is yielding about 1.8%. REITs are yielding about 3.8%. That's 200 basis points over what you're getting for a 10-year. You're getting dividend growth plus growth. What I would be focused on, though, within the REIT sector is looking for the sectors underlying it. So really want to be long the data centers, industrial, maybe the healthcare components of REITs, and staying away from the retailers, which continue to consolidate and close stores.
All right, Doc, lastly to you from Jeff in Modesto, California. Home Depot. What do you think about the Depot?
It's made about halfway back from that big sell-off from 238 down to 210 or thereabouts. It's back in the mid to high 220s, I believe, right here. I like it. They're going to do some financing, all the way out to 2049, Judge. So I like that, too.
So he says I'm carrying a 10% position, and he's down over 6.5% on what is a 10% portfolio position. So it's big, right? His question is to hold now or just sell it and move on to something else.
I would hold. I've seen a lot of upside call buying over the past several weeks, and I think because it's a fallen angel of sorts, even though it's a small fall for it, I like it.